Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your username on Microsoft PowerPoint. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the PowerPoint application or presentation and select the File tab up at the top left, and then go down and select Options near the bottom of this menu. And then the General tab should be the landing page over here. And then underneath where it says personalize your copy of Microsoft Office, you can change your username by deleting whatever's in here, make your proper selection, delete it, type in whatever you want, and then you would select OK to save, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.